Hello.
Cheers to a wonderful night.
Just need to find the exit.
Grandpa here, son. Sit with me for a second, kid, and we can talk about just about anything. I've lived a far from boring life, and I like to share it. Don't repeat all my mistakes. Learn from them instead. Every Saturday, right here in NICO-CINE.
That's so good! Oh my god, it's so pretty! Cheers to a wonderful night. Cheers!
Listen up.
Let me tell you something. Out here, words are more than just words. Drop one in the right place, and suddenly, the whole vibe changes. Add a single Filipino word to your sentence, and things around you will change. Watch my short vids, and get Tagalog smart.
Bye. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Remember, NICO-CINE loves you.